Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to fill up Bermuda arrival card when you travel to Bermuda. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, many countries have entry forms, right? Apart from visa and other things. So that is something you should follow when you go to the country. For example, when you come to Canada, you do like incoming passenger card that you can do it at the kiosks at the border or also using the can. But similarly, India also has cards and many other countries. Similarly, Bermuda have this Bermuda arrival card, and this is something you can do online and then download the form and present it to the immigration officer when you come. Now, clearly they have written all visitors arriving by air or yacht should complete this form, but this form is not required if you're going via cruise ship. So it's very simple. I'm just putting sample. This is not the real data. Okay, you have to do as per your case. If you have middle initial, you go. If you don't have, don't do. Nationality, passport number. Be very sure when you fill this information because a lot of people do mistakes and then later ask how later get into some sort of problems. So don't do that. Email address, date of birth, arrival date, arrival method. Let's see what happens if I put yacht. Yacht cruise do I have? I thought it will disable. Fine. No worries. I'll just put a commercial flight. Wow, they have even flight number details that arrive over there. Wow. Home address, pick your country. It's asking if this is your first trip or if you have done before. So if you select no, I thought there would be more. Intended number of nights stay you're gonna stay. Purpose of entry, vacation, intended address where you're gonna live. Hotels are similar. If you see hotels, wow, all hotels are here. Wow. What else you have? Friends or relative, then wow, address, guest house. Wow, that's good. This is to permanent tourism contact about special offers. Of course, this is disabled because I have not filled all the mandatory field, but once it is done, it's gonna be enabled. You fill it, you get the form, you download it, and then you can go over there. So that's how it works, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this video. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.